So this is the directions. You see, as you get down to the third part right here, it's supposed to attach. And I tried to explain this to Amazon that the holes attach right here. So that hole attached to that one, this hole attached to that one. And as you can see, when it's like this, it's evenly like that. But the hole does not mesh with the screw. So no matter what I try to do, it's not going to work. The rest is put just like that. It's just this one right here that's just not working. So I don't know what I'm supposed to do.